In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove your Microsoft account on Windows 11 computer. Right click on Start menu, click on Settings, in left pane, click on Accounts, scroll down. Under Account Settings, click on Your Info, scroll down again. Here under Account Setting, you will find Microsoft account and you will find a link here, Sign in with a local account instead. Click on here. If you still want to continue, go to next step to verify your identity. Click on next. Type your PIN number here. Type the username. I'm typing my username, new password. Then confirm your password. Type here password hint. I'm typing here A and then click on next. Your local account is set. Please note, if you sign in with local account, you will not find some new updated features from Microsoft on your Windows 11 computer. Click on sign out and finish. Now signing out. Sign in with your local account. Type the PIN number here. I'm going to check. Click on Start menu. Then click on Settings. Go to Accounts. And here I have logged in my Windows 11 computer with the local account administrator and account name is the Mahmoud.